Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Netflix profile with password. It's really simple and easy. So to add a password to a specific profile, you have to follow these steps. The first one is from a web browser, go to your account page, log into your Netflix account and then open the profile and parental controls. Then go for the settings of for the profile you want to log, and number 3, change the profile log setting. Then number 4, enter your Netflix account password like your previous password. And then step 5, check the box to require a PIN to access the selected profile. Then number 6, you have to enter the 4 numbers to create your profile log PIN. And then the 7th step is click on save, and your device may require a refresh to pick up the updated settings. So refresh your browser, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.